How do you feel, Daniel?
Yes.
How do you feel, Daniel?
Good.
Are you proud?
I'm not.
How do you feel, Cody?
Good.
Are you proud?
Yes.
What was your favourite part?
The walking real fast.
Okay. How do you feel, Thomas?
I feel really good at myself.
Favorite part in the swimming?
Well, starting I was really scared.
Okay. Thank you.
Sarah, are you nervous? Yes.
Okay. Now I'll stop.
How are you feeling right now?
Good.
What was your favorite part in the swim?
Freestyle?
Good. What was your favorite part of the tugboat?